tignan natin ano yung pinaka nagiging concern ninyo, sir, at bakit kayo napapunta sa akin?
Yung madalas ako may stiff. Hindi ko alam, stiff neck ba to? Laging masakit yung dito.
Tight.
Oo, sobrang higpit.
So, itong ganitong klaseng technique, nagagawin natin with the advanced technique, releasing all the tensions, at yung mga muscle tightness, muscle knots, and knuckle muscles. Lahat ng yan ay inire-release natin ng proper para mas maging maayos yung movement natin, yung range of motion, at hindi nyo na maramdaman ulit yung paninigas ng mga muscles. Okay? Nakukuha rin yan sa mga bagay na mabibigat ang buhat at pagtulog. Okay? Yung hindi maayos na pagtulog natin. Okay? Over time, unconsciously, syempre yung tulog natin ay hindi talaga natin nalalaman kung ano ba talaga dahil tulog nga tayo. Okay? Sige, titignan natin magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination para ma-confirm natin kung saan ba talaga siya nagkakaroon ng root cause. Yun yung ipo-focus natin. Okay? Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Sige, posture up. Yan, ganito. Comfortable naman pag nakaganyan. Good. Turn to your left.
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 Ayan, masakit po.
Sa banda.
Dito banda.
Right here. Turn to your right. How is it?
Ayan, masakit din siya. Dito naman.
Sa right din.
Right.
Tingala.
Dito.
Right there. Right here. Ang normal is about 45 degrees extension. Go, I'll push you. Yan. Gano'n siya kasakit from 1 to 10?
8 siguro.
8. Okay. Sige, yoko. Yan. Push you down. How's this?
Yung masakit po. Masakit.
Masakit din. Saan? Here or here?
Dito,
there.
dito.
Okay. Sige. Ngayon, tignan natin yung traps muscles. Here. Ready? Up. Yan. Dikit sa tenga. Try.
Yan.
Anything.
Bandang shoulder.
Matigas?
Oo.
Masikip?
Masikip. Ayun.
Sige. Lagpas sa tenga. Go. How's it? Same.
Same lang din.
Down. Tignan natin ito. Ready? Twist. Yan. How's this one? Sa banda. Nagka-cramps?
Dito. Oo.
Relax. Nagka-cramps na. This is a indication and sign na hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng proper stretching talaga. Okay? Nakakapag-stretching ka naman ng maayos bago mag-workout? Warm-up
lang.
stretching, unti lang.
Oo.
Okay. At saka cool-down stretching ang pinaka-importante.
Wala akong cool
Okay?
down.
Walang cool-down stretching. Bakit siya importante? Lalo na kapag nagbubuhat tayo at nagbe-build up tayo ng muscles. Ang pag-build ng muscles, ang critical stage ng pag-build up ng extra tissues of muscles and tendons and ligaments and when you are resting. Okay? So, ang build-up ng muscles ay kapag nagre-rest tayo. Okay? Ang pinaka na ginagawa natin, which is inflamed, yung mga muscles natin kapag nag-workout tayo. Alright? So, ang pinaka nangyayari, pagka hindi maayos yung recovery ng muscles, ay merong mga ganitong pangyayari. Strain at nagkakaroon ng paninigas ng muscles. Okay? Mas nagiging disorder na siya or nagkakaroon ng knots. Buhol-buhol.
Okay.
Once na nagkakaroon ng knots, yung ating mga ibang mga blood flow doon sa muscle fiber ay nagkakaroon ng bukol-bukol, which is knuckle muscles ang tawag. Alright? So, meron tayong technique to release all the this. Okay? Ngayon, stand up ka. Here. This one. Ready? Back bend. Yan. Kamusta ito?
Ayun, masakit po.
Sa banda?
Dito banda.
Right here. Sige, up ka na. Titignan ko kung saan banda to. Up na. Good. So, right there. Okay? So, this is your 1, 4, 5, 3, and 2. So, junction ng lumbar number 2 at lumbar number 3. Lumbar number 1. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-release natin ng maayos. Sa tuhod, meron kang nararamdaman?
Tuhod, wala naman.
Very good. At least healthy naman ito. Ang pinaka-focus natin about your muscles. Okay? Ayun yung pinaka-release natin. Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Sige. Ngayon, ay dadapa ka. Asang legs. Go up. Yan. Kamusta yan? Mabigat?
Mabigat po.
Okay. Kabila. Kamusta?
Mabigat.
Mabigat din. Okay. Release natin yan. Cross feet. Okay. Alright, here. Oh, this is your iliac crest. Right there. Good. Hinga. Exhale. Down. That's clear. Okay? Now, dito tayo sa stretching to unlock your pelvis. Iliac crest. Right here in your lumbar vertebrae. Hinga. Exhale. Dahan-dahan. Good. Exhale. Good one. And go. Very nice. Last one. Hinga. Exhale. That's it. How is it? Good?
Oh.
Upper. Hinga. Exhale. Clear. Good. Down. Good. Oh, mas okay naman ito. Hinga. Down, down, down. Good one. Again. Up. Relax, relax. Good one. Last one. Good. That's it. Okay. Hinga again. Exhale. Clear. Kamusta yan?
Okay.
Are you good?
Yes po.
Okay. Ngayon, hawak sa bed. Hawak sa bed. Yan. For your sacrum and inner hip. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay itataas natin sabay yung ating legs. Diretso ang tuhod. Tigasan ng puwetan. Okay? Ready? Go up. Sige, up, up, up. Tigasan ng puwet. Good. That's it. Ano siya naramdaman? More of here or here?
Dito po.
Right there. Okay? Sige, relax. So this is very good. Relax. I'll check your muscles. Right here. Clear. Good. Clear. Last one. Clear no. Okay? Ribs tayo. Go, hinga. Exhale. Clear. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Last two. Down, down, down. Down. Good one. Last one. Hinga. Down, down, down. That's it. Down. Down. Good. Clear. Last three. Down. Middle. Good. Last one. And last two. Go. Down. Clear. Go. Down. That's it. I'll lift up. Next, with your thoracic middle. Baba na ang kamay. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good. Okay, here. Ready. Hinga. Exhale. Good. Okay. This one, I'll push and press and rotate. Here. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. That's it. Now, this one. Ating cervical 6 and 7. Oh, relax ito. Shoulder down. Yeah. Right there. Here. 6 and 5. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Down, down, down. Good one. Okay, so clear naman ito. Sakit? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Good. Okay, prepare your muscles. Good. Okay?
Medyo
Better?
better.
Lighter?
Lighter.
Very good. Kabila. Go. Go up. Sige, up. How's it?
Yeah, medyo
Good one. Okay? So at least, ay hindi pa naman tayo tapos dyan. Ito yung initially na pwede natin gawin. To unlock, ano? Lahat ng mga movement, vertical and dynamics and everything. Okay? Para walang limitation. Ngayon, sit down ka para dito. Okay, I'll hold your batok. Yan. Hawak sa kamay ko.
Tawag
Dito sa batok. Sa batok.
Dito.
Yan. Hawak. Yan. And squeeze your elbow. Yan. Squeeze it. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Hinga. Exhale. That's it. Very good. Good one. Good one. First is our metatarsal, right there. Clear. Lower. Good. Cuboid. Right there, upper. Relax it up. That's it. Okay? With your heel, turn in. We have to pull and turn in. That's it. Clear. Good one. Clear. Good. Good. That's it. Sa kabila ay normal. Okay? Yung range of motion. But here, we have a compression and tension. Here, lower and cuboid. That's it. Okay? Here. That's right. Good. Take crawling point and with your lumbar. Hold it. Upper. Taas. Twist. Usog ng konti. Usog pa. Yan. This one. We have turn. Lock. This one. Okay? Hinga malalim. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Yan. Okay, good. Huwag magtitira ng hangin sa tiyan. Hinga. Exhale. That's it. Okay? Last one. Go. 2. And 1. Clear. Okay? Hold the elbow. Ready? Hinga malalim. Exhale. Good. Okay, so clear. Rotation. Down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very clear. Go. Relax ang elbow. Yan. Good. Relax ka. Clear. Very good. Elbow. Relax. Clear. Good. That's it. Good one. Elbow. Here. Lower. Masakit.
Noo po.
Doon sa baba mo muna.
Very good. Any pain?
Wala naman.
Sa cervical spine, ang pag-check natin ay yung tinatawag na trigger points. Ano? Right here. Cervical 1. Any pain? Number 2.
Wala naman.
3.
Medyo may konti.
4.
Masarap.
And 5. Okay. Here.
Wala naman.
This one. Acromion clavicular.
Konti lang.
Konti. Here. Number 1.
Wala.
Number 2.
Wala.
Number 3.
May konti.
4.
May konti.
And 5. Okay. Traps. Traps. Here. Natin?
Medyo.
Okay. Sige. So, dun tayo sa mas malalim na part. Better kung nakaupo tayo. Sige, upo tayo. Right here, I will hold. Relax ito. Turn. Good. Now, push right here. Just want to relax your shoulder. Relax your shoulder. Right there. Okay. Drop your shoulders here. Down. Very nice. Good one. That's it. Okay. Other side. Press. Turning. Pushing. Relax it. Right there. Up. Drop your shoulder. Good. Right there. Okay. So ito ay medyo clear naman. But we have to do a manual traction. Sige, higa ka ulit. So right there. Oh, relax ito. Rotation. Good. Hinga malalim. Exhale. Rotation down. Good. So good. Right here. Rotation upper. Clear naman. Very good. Mabilis lang ito. Kasi, unlike sa mga nowadays na napapanood natin, yung hinihila yung leg. Napapanood mo ba yun?
Opo.
Yan. So, hindi natin siya ginagawa ng sobrang lakas na puwersa. Okay? So, what we're going to do is bouncing it. Okay? To create a natural chain reaction with your cervical spine. Okay? Bite your teeth. Natural. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. So, we have to check with your rotational and lateral movement. Very good. Okay? Ready. Go. Hinga. Exhale. Good one. This one. Oh, that's it. Alright. So, hindi natin siya masyadong gaganon kasi sobrang light lang niya. Hinga malalim again. Exhale. Good. Light. This one. Here. That's it. Okay? Magpo-focus na tayo sa iyong muscles. Muscle na tayo. Muscle recovery. Kabila. Very good. Kumusta yan?
Sarap.
Let's see again, ano? Tignan natin. Pagka meron pang konti. Right here. Sige. Vertical 1. Number 2. Number 3. Better? 4.
Okay.
And 5. Kamusta yung difference kanina?
Oh, medyo nag-light na siya. Hindi na siya sa dati.
Hindi na sensitive.
Oo.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4.
Okay.
Number 5. Very clear. Good. Nice. So, yun yung ginagawa natin. Right away, nakaka-recover lahat ng muscles. Tingnan natin to. Ready? How's this? Okay, saan yung
Konti
pinaka nananakit? Dito, no?
Opo.
Right here sa right. Okay, ayun natin ayos yun. Right side. Okay, this one. So this is the proper way to release all the muscle knots and strain and spasm and everything. Disorders of muscles. Unlike sa mga traditional massage, this is a proper way and fastest way to release all the muscle disorders. Oh, very good.
Magkabilaan po yung masakit ko.
Magkabilaan.
Oo.
Sige, ayusin natin. Yan. So, this one, kailangan natin ng proper movement. So, from here, this one. So, harap. Taas. Yan. That's it. And sideward. Oh, down. Okay? Ganun yung movement na kailangan ko, ha? Okay. Ready? Go. Up. Sige. Dahan-dahan side. Very good. Traps opening. Very nice. Again, up ulit. Up sa akin, sa akin. Up, up sa akin. Dito sa akin banda. Hindi, pataas, pataas.
Pataas.
Front.
Ayun.
Yan. Sige, go. Up pa, up pa. Dito, dito. Yan. Go down, sideward.
Sideward.
Yeah, sideward. Go. Very nice. Okay? This time, engage your muscles. Tigas. Tigasan mo yan, tigasan mo ito. Laban. Buti naman, very clear naman itong muscles mo at hindi naman sobrang nakakabahala. Ano? So, dala lang ito ng pagkakaroon ng tension sa iyong mga cervical spine dahil nagkakaroon ng problema naman na ito, disorder. Okay? Nadadamage. Nadadamay lang ba? Okay, go up. Go, go, go. Down sideward. Side. Very clear. Okay? Very good. Kabila. Tignan natin. Go up. How is it? Medyo okay ito. And go down. Good one. Good. Okay. This time, engage. Go. Up. Sige, very nice. Good. Sideward down. That's it. Good. No more significance. Okay? Relax na. Very clear. Good. Nice one. Alright. Good. At least nakadepende sa mga muscles natin kung gaano kalala yung tinatawag natin na strike or yung hagod and movement. So, meron tayong 4, 6, 8, and maximum of 10. Okay? Procedure na hagod. Nakadepende yan sa kung gaano ka painful yung iyong muscle traps or gaano katigas. Okay? So, this kind of technique ay mas mapapalambot natin ng maayos at yung specific muscle fiber ay mas ma-release natin ng maayos para walang masyadong strain from here to there at ito ay makarecover na rin. Okay? Good. How's the feeling now?
Okay naman. Magaan.
Ngayon, titignan natin ito. Rotator cuff, acromioclavicular joint, and with your ears. Okay? So, I'll push you forward. Pipigilan ako. Okay? Push you forward. Pigil. Lakas. Pigil. Lakas. Sige pa. Squeeze it. Lakas. 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 Oh, very firm. Again. Go. Squeeze it. Lakas. Lakas. Pigil. Pigil. Go. Pigil. Yan. Very good. Firm. Yung kapit ng ating tendons and ligaments. Go. Pigil. Lakas pa. Very nice. Good. That's it. Ito tayo sa kabila. Unahin natin ito. With your acromioclavicular joint, you lose this one. Lose this one. Clear. Good. Kabila. Lose this. Good one. Clear. Good. Nothing. Nothing. Very good naman yan. Sa tenga, ang ginagawa natin ay para sa releasing ng ear pressure. Okay? Pagka na-release natin yon ay magkakaroon ng mas magandang hearing senses o yung pandinig. Tapos, makaka-recover yung ating temple muscles right here to prevent all the stresses, migraine and headaches. Okay? Here. Relax ito. Snap, snap, snap. Good. That's it.
So,
Lakas ah. Nice one. Ready? Go. Snap, snap, snap. Good. A little. Okay. Next with the sensitive part of our ears. Right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Kamusta? Kamusta ang experience mo? Is this your first time?
oh, first time. Sa, sa tagal.
Sa tagal ng panahon.
Panahon.
Okay? Titignan natin ulit kung meron pang something else with your muscles. Okay? Posture up. Yan. How's it now?
Ayan, medyo okay naman siya.
Comfortable? Sige. Turn to your left. Sagad. How's it now?
Medyo may lang na konti.
Saan banda?
Ng konti.
Okay.
Dito,
Sige.
sa
Ayusin ko
leeg.
yan, ha? Turn to your right. Go. How's it?
Dito, wala naman masyad.
Wala na. So, dito na lang tayo mag-focus later on. Sige. Tingala. Go. How's it now? Okay na. Hindi na kita ipupush kasi 45 degrees extension.
Okay.
How's it? And here.
Okay naman.
Very good. O, yoko. Yan. How's this now?
Okay naman.
Good. Traps muscles. Tingnan natin ha. Kanina medyo matigas. At ito ha. Iayusin ko to. Later on. Go. Here. Up. Tenga. Good. Kamusta?
Okay naman.
Good. Lagpas. How is it now?
Okay naman.
Good? Nice. Anong pagkakaiba?
Medyo ano na siya, parang
Gumaan?
gumaan na yun sabihin.
Mas loose.
Oo, mas loose siya.
Okay. Ngayon, yung crumbs mo dito. This one, sorry. Ready? Twist. Kamusta?
Wala naman.
Kanina pinush pa kita kasi hindi masyadong diagonal. Okay? Ay, hindi masyadong vertical. Okay? Kamusta ngayon?
Wala na siya.
Better. Kabila. Go. Yep. Yeah. This one, how is?
Okay naman.
Nice one. Okay? So, ito yung magic. Ano? Okay. I'll hold your noo. 2, 3. Right there. Relax ito. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Inner side. Right there. Ready. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good one. Okay? Okay, o relax ito. Ngayon, when I going this one, unti-unti kang mag-turn, posture up. Turn to your left. Go. Turn to your left. Sagad. Sagad. Good one. Okay, balik. Okay. Sagad. Go. Tingin. Very good. Okay. Go. Last two. Sagad. Good. Okay. Last one. Sige, sagad. Very good. And balik. 2 and 1. Alright. Ngayon, posture up. Turn to your left. Sagad. Kamusta ngayon?
Medyo okay naman siya.
Better? Very good. Okay? So, at least ay ito makaka-recover na. So, ang stretching na kailangan mong gawin from here every time, para at least ay mas maganda yung ating preparation and cool down with your traps muscles, levator muscles, at yung ating support temporal muscles right here. So, ang gagawin natin, ito, this one. Turn, usog ka ng konti. This one, lower down for your levator muscles. Push it. 2 and 1. So, after that, okay, turn, and then sideward, here. Okay? Para yan, dito. Okay? Stretch. Okay? Tapos, next mong gagawin is lingon from there, and go upper. O, hawakan mo yung noo mo, ha. Ito, hawakan mo yung ulo mo. And then, right here. So, kung ikaw lang mag-isa, ang pinakagagawin mo, ito, hahawakan mo, di ba? Hawak yung ulo. That's it. Right here. As itong kamay ay up and down. Okay? Up and down. Yan. Nararamdaman mo yan? Up and down. Go. Yan. Nararamdaman mo yung pag-pull when you are down? Good. O, yun yung gagawin, ha? To prevent all the strain muscles and everything. At nagkakaroon ng tightness. Alright? From there, from here, and here. Okay? Yun lang ang the best. And then, with your posture, pwede mo itong gawin every time. I don't know kung ginagawa mo ito o hindi. Right? This one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. While working, pwede mo rin siyang gawin. Hold it for about 10 seconds and 5 sets. Okay? Kahit ganun lang. Kasi, okay ka naman at nagkakaroon naman ng range of motion na normal. Kailangan mo lang practicein para hindi ma-compromise yung flexibility and range of motion mo when you are building the muscles. Okay? Ganun lang.